Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between two rugged and powerful smartwatches, the Garmin Instinct 3 and the Garmin Instinct 2. With Garmin's latest release, the Instinct 3 series, there's a lot to unpack, and we're here to explore the top 5 reasons why you should consider upgrading. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a fitness junkie, or just love cutting-edge tech, this breakdown is for you. Let's get started. 1. Revamped durability for the most demanding adventures. Durability is a hallmark of the Instinct lineup, and Garmin has outdone itself with the Instinct 3 series. Built to last, the Instinct 3 boasts a metal-reinforced bezel, making it even tougher than its predecessor. This feature complements the fiber-reinforced polymer case, ensuring the watch can handle extreme environments with ease. Garmin didn't stop there. They've also added a scratch-resistant display to keep the screen pristine, no matter what your adventures throw at it. One of the most exciting upgrades? Every Instinct 3 model now includes a built-in flashlight. Whether you're trekking through dark trails or working late into the night, this flashlight offers adjustable brightness levels, a red light mode for preserving night vision, and a strobe feature for emergencies. Previously, this was exclusive to the bulkier Instinct 2X Solar, but now it's a standard feature across all models. This is a game-changer for adventurers, offering convenience and safety at your fingertips. 2. Stunning AMOLED display, a visual treat. Garmin fans have been eagerly waiting for this. AMOLED displays have finally made their way to the Instinct lineup. The Instinct 3 AMOLED models come in 2 sizes, with resolutions of 390 by 390 pixels for the smaller size and 416 by 416 pixels for the larger variant. These displays are bright, vibrant, and perfect for outdoor readability, making it easier than ever to access data at a glance. Exclusive features like muscle maps and workout animations make their debut on the AMOLED models, transforming your training experience. If you're not a fan of the traditional screen-within-a-screen layout, Garmin now offers the option to disable it, giving you a cleaner and more expansive view. However, true to its rugged nature, the Instinct 3 sticks to button navigation, a reliable choice for those who value precision in harsh conditions. While some may miss a touchscreen, the tactile buttons ensure your watch works flawlessly, no matter how wet or dirty your hands get. 3. Unparalleled battery life for extended adventures. When it comes to battery life, the Instinct 3 Solar steals the spotlight. Thanks to upgraded solar panels, this model delivers unlimited battery life in sunny conditions. Garmin claims these solar panels are more efficient than those in the Instinct 2 Solar, though the improvements are subtle rather than revolutionary. For adventurers who spend long periods off the grid, the promise of endless battery life is invaluable. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply avoiding the charger, the Instinct 3 Solar ensures you stay powered through it all. 4. Next-level GPS performance. Navigation is at the heart of Garmin's watches, and the Instinct 3 series raises the bar with multi-band GPS. This advanced system uses SatIQ technology to automatically adjust satellite selection and power usage. The result? Pinpoint accuracy, whether you're exploring dense forests, climbing mountains, or navigating urban jungles. Compared to the single-band GPS on the Instinct 2, this upgrade is a significant leap forward, ensuring your watch keeps you on track without draining the battery. 5. Expanded health and wellness features. Garmin has packed the Instinct 3 with a host of health and wellness tools, building on the already impressive capabilities of the Instinct 2 series. New features include relaxation reminders to help you manage stress, nap detection for better sleep tracking, hill score for climbers, offering insights into your performance, new activity modes like motorsports, racket sports, and team sports. If you choose the AMOLED models, you'll also enjoy advanced tools like muscle mass and strength workout animations for guided training sessions. Additionally, the Instinct 3 brings the Connect IQ store directly to your wrist, allowing you to download apps, widgets, and watch faces without needing your phone. Final thoughts. Is the upgrade worth it? The Garmin Instinct 3 series is undoubtedly a solid upgrade, offering improvements in durability, display, battery life, GPS accuracy, and wellness features. If you're still using Instinct 2, Instinct 3 is a worthy successor that enhances your experience in meaningful ways. What feature stands out most to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth tech comparisons. See you in the next video.